Hello people, welcome back to the channel. तो आज का टॉपिक है posterior triangle of neck. So posterior triangle is the triangular space on the side of the neck behind the sternocleidomastoid muscle. So this is the posterior triangle of the neck, which is bounded by the sternocleidomastoid muscle, the trapezius and the clavicle. And उसके बीच में एक और छोटी muscle होती है which is known as the inferior belly of omohyoid, which divides the posterior triangle into two small triangles. एक ये वाला और एक ये वाला. तो जो रेड से मार्क्ड है is known as the occipital triangle. So this triangle is the occipital triangle and जो blue से marked है is the subclavian triangle. तो अब इस ट्राइंगल के बॉर्डर्स देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे एंटीरियर बॉर्डर. तो एंटीरियरली इट इज़ बाउंडेड बाय द पोस्टीरियर बॉर्डर ऑफ द स्टर्नोक्लीडोमास्टोइड मसल. मतलब स्टर्नोक्लीडोमास्टोइड की पोस्टीरियर बॉर्डर से एंटीरियर बॉर्डर बनता है. देन पोस्टीरियर बॉर्डर ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज बाउंडेड बाय द एंटीरियर बॉर्डर ऑफ द ट्रिपीजियस मसल. मतलब ट्रेपीजियस का एंटीरियर बॉर्डर ट्राइंगल का पोस्टीरियर बॉर्डर है. Then we come on to the apex. Apex is formed where both the muscles meet. यानी कि sternocleidomastoid और trapezius जहाँ meet कर रही है वो apex बना रहा है. और ये कहाँ meet करते हैं? They meet at the superior nuchal lines. Now we come on to the base. So the base is formed by the middle 1/3 of the clavicle. Base is formed by the middle 1/3 of the clavicle. Now let's come on to the roof. Roof मतलब उसकी छत, ट्रायंगल की छत क्या बन रही है? The deep cervical fascia, the investing layer of deep cervical fascia forms the roof of the posterior triangle. Roof of the triangle is covered by skin as well as the superficial fascia that contains the platysma muscle as well, the external jugular vein, the cutaneous branches of the cervical plexus and the deep fascia. Now coming to the floor of the posterior triangle is formed by the four muscles, and those four muscles are the semispinalis capitis, the splenius capitis, the levator scapulae, this is the levator scapulae, and the scalenus medius. So there are four muscles which are forming the floor of the posterior triangle. So here I have compiled the boundaries of the posterior triangle. You can have a screenshot of it. Now let's come on to the contents of the posterior triangle of the neck. Firstly, we'll see the arteries of the neck. So arteries of the neck, वैसे we have 4 but हम 3 लेके चलते हैं क्योंकि ऑक्सीपिटल आर्टरी कई लोग कंसिडर नहीं करते क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक हल्का सा ही कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन दे रही है पोस्टीरियर ट्रायंगल में, बिल्कुल एपेक्स से निकल रही है, राइट. तो हमारे पास हम यहाँ पर अब 3 आर्टरीज consider करेंगे and those arteries are the superficial or the transverse cervical artery, the third part of the subclavian artery and the suprascapular artery. तो हमारे पास 3 arteries हैं, the superficial, the transverse cervical artery, the third part of the subclavian artery and the suprascapular artery. Then we'll come on to the veins. अब आर्टरी के साथ कौन सी वेन्स कंपनी कर रही हैं? द सुपरफिशियल द ट्रांसवर्स सर्वाइकल वेन, द सुप्रास्कैपुलर वेन एंड द एक्सटर्नल जुगुलर वेन. Now we have the most important vein here, the external jugular vein with the 2 veins जो हमारी arteries के साथ accompany कर रही हैं, and those veins are the transverse cervical vein and the suprascapular veins. Then we come on to the nerves. Nerves कौन सी है? सबसे पहले तो we have the branches of cervical plexus. We have the branches of the cervical plexus और उसमें कौन सी आती हैं? The great auricular nerve, the transverse cervical nerve, the supraclavicular nerve, the suprascapular nerve and the lesser occipital nerve and the one main जो हमारी है spinal root of the accessory nerve यानी कि cranial nerve number 11. We have the spinal root of the accessory nerve and the branches of the cervical plexus. We also have the trunks of the brachial plexus, the nerve. We also have the trunk of the brachial plexus along with the subclavian artery. Then we have a muscle here. This muscle जो आपको पहले भी मैंने बताया था, which divides the posterior triangle into two, the omohyoid, the inferior belly of the omohyoid muscle. Then last but not the least, the lymph nodes. We have two types of lymph nodes, the occipital lymph node and the supraclavicular lymph nodes.